For every organization, for every process, and for every operation, standard work will be unique. It will have to conform to the needs of the organization instituting it as part of their lean transformation. Despite this, all standard work is comprised of three basic elements. These elements are takt time, work sequence, and standard work in process. The first element, takt time, sets the pace for operations. Takt time is determined by dividing the average available work time by the average rate of customer demand. For instance, in the manufacturing world, if customers order 90 parts per day and you have 900 available minutes between two shifts, your takt time is 10 minutes. In other words, a part must be completed every 10 minutes in order to meet takt time. The next element, work sequence, is the best current order of tasks that employees use to complete a product or service. This can be thought of like the steps in a recipe. If you were trying to recreate an old family recipe, you would more than likely follow the instructions to the letter. This is exactly how work sequence functions. It is the recipe for how you do your work. Closely following it will ensure you consistently create the best possible results every time. The last element is standard work in process. This is the standard amount of parts, products, or materials needed for work to flow through operations at the correct pace. Any more and a bottleneck may form, causing downstream processes to wait unnecessarily. Any less and you may run out of work, being forced to wait yourself. This waiting could then potentially affect all the downstream processes. The contents of these three basic elements will vary between operation, process, and organization, but constitute the fundamental elements of all standard work. Take care to keep each one in mind as you develop standard work for your organization.